4, as part of our test grade, we received a Unit 4 video project, which is going to be 50% of our test grade. And what the function I received was y equals the cube root of x, as you can see right there. And this is what the original parent function looks like. And we were asked to make a transformed function with vertical reflections, vertical stretches, and transformations. And you can see the after effects in a minute. So I chose my transformed function to be y equals -2 cubed root of x plus 4 minus 3. The negative here, right before the 2, is going to create a vertical reflection on our graph. Then the 2 right here is going to make a vertical stretch. Then the x plus 4 will take us to the left 4. And the -3 or -3 will take us down 3. So going into detail and kind of explaining it on the graph, it's going to look like this. So this is our original parent function drawn right there in yellow. It might be hard to see since it's in yellow, so let me just kind of redo it in red a bit so you can see it a bit better. There it is. And so what you do is we're obviously going left 4, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going down 3, which is 1, 2, 3, right here, 3 and 4 meet up right here. So we have this little intersection point right here, and from there we know that our graph looks like this, but we also have to vertically reflect it, which is going to cause this little half to come up here and this half to go down there. So it'll look like this, and then since it's a vertical stretch, you kind of make your graph a little like more whooped or swooshed or more like uphill, I guess, than you normally would, and a bit longer, but I couldn't continue on there, so it obviously continues on through here. Now, we were also asked to say or to classify the asymptotes, the domain, and the range. Now, this graph has no asymptotes. An asymptote is a line that gets closer and closer to the graph but never actually touches, and those are usually seen in inverse variation functions and things like that, of that nature. So we go down to the domain, and since this graph with the arrowheads, you can see that it can keep going and going and going, it really is this little fancy symbol, which means all real numbers. When it says all real numbers, it's because the graph just goes on and on and on, that it really can go up to infinity. Then, as we see here, we have the domain here, and the domain, sorry, not domain. Then we go down to range, and you can't put a roof on this function because it kind of keeps going up, and then you can't put a floor on this function because it kind of keeps going down. So again, it is all real numbers. The end behaviors, if I'm not mistaken, it's going to be as x approaches infinity, y approaches infinity, as the graph just keeps going and going and going. So this is it. This is my function. That's it. So thank you.